You know, a lot of people talk about going to other planets. Plenty of people have no idea about the one they're living on. There's a whole world out here. There's another nest in there. And actually, we should see a chipmunk in here too. There's often chipmunks around here. And you know, what you're seeing are these plants and animals that are adapting and evolving and struggling to, you know, figure out how to make a life in this place. Not so different from what, you know, human beings do. We also are animals. The same, you know, essentially the same chemistry is in us. That covers earthworms, you know. Earthworms will produce the sort of the same hormone in response to anxiety that humans will. I think it comes from television, it comes from all sorts of things. That the wilderness is somewhere far away. It's where we go to for vacation. It's, you know, the highest mountains, which are pristine. If you look, you know, if you open your ears up, if you open your eyes up, you will see things.